To find documentation for DigitalOcean Droplet Firewall, start by visiting the DigitalOcean website and navigating to the documentation section. DigitalOcean provides extensive documentation on its products and services, including droplet firewalls. First, go to the DigitalOcean website and click on the community link at the top of the page. Then select Documentation from the drop-down menu. This will take you to the DigitalOcean documentation page, where you can find information on various topics, including droplet firewalls. In the search bar, type Droplet Firewall and press Enter. You will see a list of relevant articles, including an overview of DigitalOcean firewalls, how to create and manage firewalls, and how to configure firewall rules. Click on the article titled Introduction to DigitalOcean Firewalls to learn more about the basics of droplet firewalls. This article explains what firewalls are, how they work, and how to use them to secure your DigitalOcean droplets. For more detailed information on configuring firewall rules, click on the article titled Configuring Firewall Rules. This article provides step-by-step instructions on how to create and manage firewall rules, including how to allow or block traffic to specific ports and IP addresses. Additionally, you can also find documentation on managing firewalls using the DigitalOcean API and CLI tools. These tools allow you to automate firewall management tasks and integrate them into your existing workflows. Best practices for managing droplet firewalls include regularly reviewing and updating your firewall rules, using secure protocols and ports, and restricting access to sensitive data and services. By following these best practices and using the documentation provided by DigitalOcean, you can effectively secure your droplets and protect your data. In conclusion, finding documentation for DigitalOcean Droplet Firewall is a straightforward process that involves visiting the DigitalOcean website, navigating to the documentation section, and searching for relevant articles. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can quickly find the information you need to manage and secure your droplet firewalls.